Hey, good evening, everybody. I'm back. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for following me. I see I have a few followers, so I appreciate you guys jumping on board with this Nova project. It's been a couple years since I've posted. I've been a little busy. I had to grow my beard. We're on the outside of COVID, and so last time I posted a video, it was the 350 that I had rebuilt and put into my 1976 Chevy Nova. Well, a guy had an idea. A guy learned some stuff, and a guy eventually found out that somebody was selling a LM7. So we're going to take that 350 out of the Nova and we're going to put in the LM7. I picked it up today, and let me see if I can flip this around. Well, I probably can't, but I picked up this LM7 today. I got the engine, got the long block, as well as the typical truck manifold, the air box. I got the harness, got the CPU, got all the accessories and the coils. For all under $1,000. So that was actually pretty good. It was a runner. It's kind of oily, so I'm just going to tear it down. I'm not going to take out the crank and the bearings. I'm just going to get the heads redone, get a gasket kit, get the gaskets for the rear seal, front seal. I'm going to have to get a eBay oil pan so it won't hang too low by the cross member. But yeah, so we're going with the LM7, and I haven't seen very many videos on YouTube. I know there are some people that have, a lot of people actually on the some of the Nova forums that went with LM7s in their 4th gen Novas. But I'm going to try to chronicle what I'm doing and hopefully keep you guys updated on what we're doing with the LM7 that we're putting in a Disco Nova. So good, just wanted to touch base with you guys, and I'll keep you guys posted on what we're doing. But out with the 350 and in with the LM7. We'll talk to you later, guys.